In this video, I will quickly walk you through on how to find out the number of videos you have published on your YouTube channel or the number of videos a YouTube channel has published so far. When I tried this for the first time, it was difficult for me, so let's just do them together, okay? I will start by walking you through on how to check the number of videos you have on your YouTube channel. First is to install YouTube app on your phone. All right, we are going to use the mobile app for this. Okay, so tap on the YouTube app. As YouTube app opens, you will see your profile image, okay, at the bottom right. Here I'm using iPhone, so it's usually at the bottom right. So locate yours depending on the type of phone you're using. Tap on it. On tapping on it, you can see here, this shows my channel name and some videos I recently watched together with the playlist on my YouTube channel. Okay, so tap on the view channel text. You see view channel there, tap on it. On tapping on that view channel, you will see the number of videos you have. As you can see now, I have 3.94k subscribers and 746 videos at the point of making this video. All right, so if you can see home, you can see videos, you can see short and the rest. So if you want to see individual videos, for example, I want to see long form, I'll tap on videos tab. I want to see short form, that's shorts, tap on shorts. Okay, live, I'll see the live screening streaming I did, and as well as playlist and post and the rest. If you want to post, click here, you see post. Okay, you can post from here, or you can see the post you made in the past. So that's that. Okay, so let's get back to the home page of the YouTube. Now let's say you want to find out the number of videos another YouTube channel has. What you need to do is tap on the search icon at the upper right. Okay, so I will tap on that. Then type the name of the channel you want to access. Okay, let's say in this case I want to find out the number of videos Tech Informat has. So I will tap in here and then I will type Tech Informat. All right, you can see informats. All right, so you can see I've typed Tech Informat. I will tap on search button for it to search. So this will return some channels that bears this name, starting with the popular one. You can see the popular one here, but if that's not what you need and there's another channel that bears the same name that you want to find out the number of videos, keep on scrolling, you get to that channel. Okay, but in this case, Tech Informat here, this one that is at the top here is the only one with this name here. All right, so I will tap on that channel name. When tapping on that channel now, you can see information about the channel. You can see here this channel has uploaded 384 videos. So follow this step to find out the number of videos that you have on your channel or the number of videos that a particular channel has published. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, YouTube education, and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more in these areas. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube recommend this video to more people. Okay, it doesn't take anything from you, so please do that. You can watch this video to learn more on YouTube tips. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.